Simon tell me say boom. The tune here, V6 inside the tune slap. But what me I gotta do is I'll listen to the tune here. See what I go on tonight. Is it? Hopefully good. Just so you know. On this channel here, we don't do fake reactions. I don't watch videos and then come back and then rewatch it with you. And even if me did watch it already, but I'll come on here, I'm gonna make you know say I watch it already. I just saw me stay. Me not like if it's me I react for the first time. So when me I do them things me no want to know the song on them. So when we are do reaction out there, so we are do it authentic. It's an authentic reaction and raw.
V6 panic toll and it can't stop. I wear the weed back past that. As she stepping at the piece, girl starts snap. She broke your cocky, so me I forget her cast fat. He bang her dead, I wear the charger. Did you love black, so the flow sing smarter.
What me tell you on about when you flow up on a beat? What me say about them things here? Me say them things here either make or break a tune. Here we go. The calmness, the collectiveness of the way a man flow with the beat them. It is a calm, just flow. It's a steady go through. There's no rumbling. It's just steady. Well, go again.
V6 panic toll and it can't stop. I wear the weed back past that. As she stepping at the piece, girl starts snap. She broke your cocky, so me I forget her cast fat. He bang her dead, I wear the charger. Did you love black, so the flow sing smarter. She have to jump on her in drive charter. My girl foot no dirty car, she no mix smarter. And we know it pan karma, we shot pussy hole from egg against the other. She want fuck with a star, I'm a boss in her face, so call my mascara. Bang, we swap hotter than sauna. Me and me every beats and a little touch of Zara. She call my teacher like my last name a Palmer. Girl, tell me where you like love lesbian girls, but you know fuck like polo suit them and it half white. If my feelings sporty, me dash on a night. You a time now hear you. One of my dope can pay you. That you now fear you. Later than a year ago. Stiff breast, dolly just run the contact. Girl skin out your pussy, make me fuck it from back. And I was in I'm a 30 grand back. And if your job won't tired, girl suck you and stop. Oh my, your job won't feel tired, so you can't speak. I fuck her, you think you want fuck her. Wanna see a lifestyle with the Sandro where you walk out with your seat. Girl bounce pan the body, don't call Greek. Call me your daddy, call me, I know you're charging. Change up my tone, pan the line and you fall feet. Done said skull, you better send in my ass fees. V6 pan it to all the road. A V6 pan it to all. A V6 pan it to all the road. A V6 pan it to all. Boss in a fuck now pop off that tag. Or them a dress up in a bombers and a call that swag. My gun sound like on my back that cash and round. That's so full of pack a madman. Tap up a kiki that a wild time. Give me 10 grand weed pussy and no grand bag. You for we pull on a make a hang kang. Girl the pussy is a one room and no mansion.
Yo dog, the whole time I sit down here listen to tune, I don't even know if I tell her no dog. I can't tell her no nothing. What do I want me to say? There's nothing to say when the beat and when the tune not play. There's nothing to say really, other than just listen.
V6 pan it to all the road. A V6 pan it to all. A V6 pan it to all the road. A V6 pan it to all.
Man. Body of fuck. One more time for them. man. Yo, penny poop. Me speechless, me not nothing more to say. And obviously, me I gotta draw for the phone. And as we draw for the phone, we're going to look for V6. We're going to add that to playlist real quick. Alright, we're good to go, we're good to go, we're good to go. We're good to go now. Anyway, this was this is just a quick video. I didn't put no thought into it at all. And as it should be. Well, no. You're supposed to put thought in your video then. But at the same time, raw and uncut, authentic videos. Isn't it? Staged. So authentic, you see me? Anyway, we're going here, man, and next time that make sure I drink all the water.